Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing how to factory reset an Android phone. So every Android is different, guys. But you guys want to head over to your settings, and once you guys are there, for like the older ones, it could be like phone and like storage, or if you guys go to privacy, you can find it there. But I'm on the Samsung Galaxy S7, and for me, you're gonna scroll all the way down, and then you're gonna see developer options. You want to tap on that, and you want to scroll all the way down, and then when you guys scroll all the way down, a bunch of settings. You're gonna see Actually, where is it? Let's go actually go back up. No, wait, is it? No, my bad. Let's go back. Okay, so we just lost it. All right, but you want to go to About Phone, and then once you're on the About Phone, I'm obviously gonna have like that stuff blurred out. But once you guys go to About Phone, you guys want to scroll down, and you're gonna see right there, looking for something else, and then you see Reset. Tap on that, and then now you have the options of Reset Settings, Reset Network Settings, Factory Data Reset, Auto Restart. So these settings are good just because, you can actually, like, if you're having problems with your phone and you want to, like, factory reset to get rid of, it's basically like a brand new phone. But if you want to get rid of, like, some, like, software issues, or just, if you're selling your phone or getting rid of your phone or giving it back and get a new phone, then you would want a factory data reset that gets rid of everything. With reset network settings, it resets, like, your network settings, like your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other network settings to the defaults. Reset all your settings to the defaults. But this is the one, guys. So before I do that, I just want to take a little moment to, just appreciate all the apps I had. And so I had like a lot of like not weird, but like in-app purchase apps, mod apps, whatever it's called. So that's like iGame Guardian games I had. So that's just everything I had on my device. Let me see. Yeah. So screen recorders, everything. So you have Google, AT&T, Samsung. DirecTV, yeah, that just comes with the Play Store. But yeah, so let me go back here, and then you guys go to factory. You're gonna see basically you're currently signed into the following accounts. You can see all the accounts below that, and then down here is gonna say here reset. Tap on reset. See basically right here, all your data will be erased from your phone, including all your this data, and then you can scroll down, and then yeah, so you just tap on right here. You can back up your data. So I recommend you back up your data if you want to switch to a new phone or whatever. But I'm just gonna reset it. Enter your passcode in. Alright, and there you guys go. So now we can actually just tap on, delete all. And then, just like that, delete all. And there you go. So now we have to put in our password or scan our fingerprint. And there you go. So once you put in like your fingerprint or you put your password in, you then it's gonna reset everything. So now you can see Samsung is loading, and then when it comes back on, everything will be removed and it will basically be just like a new phone. So whatever that says, what does that say? Oh, it says recovery booted. And there you go. So now it's erasing everything, and yeah. But catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Now you're gonna see it come back on, and it should load right. Basically load, and then it should be just like we get a new phone. So you can see now it's booting back up, and it's an 18. It was from, I guess, AT&T. It's unlocked, but I guess it was from AT&T. Alright, just made that startup noise. So any second it should be starting up. Alright, and as you can see, well, this is the Samsung, but I also did my iPhone 6S. But yeah, and you guys basically do like new phones. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace.